Megan. Welcome to Treat Yourself. Today we're going to be making chocolate chip cookies and cream banana bread. We're gonna pour some wine because, not gonna lie y'all, this is the second video we filmed in one day. You wouldn't know because I changed my outfit. Oh god, there's so much in the fridge. We're gonna take care of business here. You guys like rosé? Rosé! Oh geez. Nice! That's what I'm talking about. Hell yeah. Just gonna leave her off to the side there. Here you go. Cheers. It's my favorite, the cheersing in between the two cameras. Oh, that is delightful. Shout out to Annie for this wine.
Oh. That is such a bad idea, dude.
Oh.
That is such a horrible idea.
This is way less involved than the last couple of videos which we did, which is kind of nice. Just gonna chill and make some banana bread. To do that, you're going to need these things. You're gonna need flour, sugar, eggs, butter, classic. And then of course you're going to need your very overly ripe bananas. I will admit, these are very, very overly ripe. This should be fine though. I mean, make banana bread out of them, definitely. Like, don't throw away disturbing bananas, you know what I mean? Anyway, you're also gonna need vanilla extract, your spices, your cinnamon, your nutmeg. Today we're gonna add chocolate chips and Oreos to ours because that's just delicious. We're gonna get started. I'm sorry, I'm like not even, I've had one sip of wine. Anyway, we're gonna get started. We're starting with a stick of melted butter. Now reveal the moment of truth. Oh yeah, they look really disturbing, but that's okay. They can look like this. Don't be scared of this. Okay? I'm telling you, it's fine. Pretty f***ed up looking, but let me tell you, when a banana is like this, you don't want to eat this. But it's super duper sweet when they get ripe like this, which is why they're perfect in a sweet treat like banana bread. All right, so we're just gonna squish these into the butter. You like the sound of that? Just looking at his face in pain, listening to the sound through the mic. Amazing. So then you're gonna add 2 eggs. I'm really practicing cracking an egg with one hand. Let's see if I can do it. Oh, that's all right. That's not bad. Heck yeah. And then we're gonna add vanilla extract as well. I'm using imitation vanilla extract here, number 1, because it's way cheaper. Vanilla is expensive as f if you get the good stuff. But also I find that when you use this, you just don't ever have to worry about measuring it. We're just gonna mix that all up. And I'm gonna go ahead and combine my dry ingredients in a separate bowl. We're starting with 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of white sugar, a teaspoon of baking soda, and a bit of salt. Oh, you know what? Also, we're gonna put our cinnamon in here. Hello. You can never have too much cinnamon. Those are the words I'm looking for. So just put in as much as you want. I recommend you put a lot. I'm gonna add just like a little dash of nutmeg. Combine these. We're going to go ahead and combine our wet and dry ingredients into the same bowl. Mix them up nice. Kind of like fold them in together. So as long as you don't see any of those like dry spots in there, you're pretty solid. I mean, this is solid banana bread right here, but we're gonna take it up a notch. And we're gonna grab some Oreos and some chocolate chips. It's so good. Any banana bread is like 12 times better with chocolate chips in it, in my opinion. But then Oreos too, that's it. You don't need to eat anything else for the rest of your life. As many of these as you want. I'm gonna add like the whole bag. And then we're gonna crush some Oreos into this as well. You could put them in a bag and crush them up if you want to, but guess what? I again have no patience for that shit. Yeah. You know? You want one? An Oreo?
Yes.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yum.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Save the rest of these for later. So we'll just fold our ingredients into our bread batter, and that's some solid banana bread batter right there. So now we have got our parchment paper lined tin, pan, loaf pan. This is not really, whatever you're gonna cook it in, line it with some parchment paper, and we're gonna pour the batter in. Ooh, and she's thick too, look at that. We're just gonna go ahead and spread it to make sure it's evenly spread. Why can't I speak? Just make sure it's even, you know? Oh, I should have saved some of the chocolate chips to sprinkle on top. Just got too crazy and just dumped them all in. That's okay. Actually, I think I might have some chocolate chips. Ha! Yes, I do. Okay, so I'm just gonna sprinkle some chips on top. And then I'm gonna take some of our Oreos and crush up a couple of those on top as well. Making a mess, as usual. It's okay. And then to finish it off, I'm gonna sprinkle a nice solid layer of brown sugar on the top as well. And that is it. Our banana bread is ready to go. We're just gonna pop that in the oven. Again, preheated to 350. And she's gonna bake for an hour. So we're gonna set our timer, pour some more wine, and just chill.
You're right.
It's done! Let's see how she turned out. Oh, look at that! Damn, doesn't that look so good? Wait, here's the test. Yeah! She's crispy on the top. Wow, first of all. I'm gonna set this on a cooling rack. I was gonna say to dry, to cool off. Ooh, yeah, exactly, see? There it is. We got our chocolate chip cookies and cream banana bread ready to go. What do you say we cut a piece and try it while it's way too hot to eat? Oh wow, that was kind of a thick piece. I'm gonna just cut it so that we can all try it. Ah! It's hot as f***. It's really good though. Hold on. It's like the outside of it is a little bit, not crispy, but like, you got like the outside crust of it. So good, it's so soft on the inside. Sweet from the banana. The chocolate is, it's so good. Y'all gotta try this shit right now.
That's good.
Kind of fucked up, right?
It's definitely still too hot. Yeah. You got that really nice crustiness, but the main side is all nice and fluffy.
Ooh. Oh, I can already feel it's way too hot. Ow. I always love how your banana bread is never too sweet either. It's not like an overload of sweet, even though there's like
A whole ass cup of sugar, but anyway. But I think that's about wraps it up. I can't speak at all during this video. Make yourself banana bread. Super easy to do, super worth it. I don't know, treat yourself to some banana bread, bitch, because let me tell you.